A garden daily routine, teeth not so clean. Neglecting your care can make you mean. Brush and floss, don't you skip in between. That smile's fading, what a sad scene. Back attack, cavities, a stealthy grin.